Damn. Let's look at it. EOS Mark III. Let me see from the side. This thing is built for friend. Now I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, damn. What is this? You got this kind of books, manuals. Damn, this is a thick book. I'm gonna put it in a side. Let's see what's inside. And the belt. Canon EOS Mark III belt. Next, what do we have? I think this must be adapters or something. Yeah, this is a battery charger. And finally, this is the battery. Now Canon R6 Mark III, from Canon R6 Mark III lineup, we have a new kind of battery called LPE6P. Now the final, but not the least, we have the grand opening of this video. Goes to this guy. Ooh, this has been my dream. Always thought of buying this. Not this exact model, but since the childhood I always dream of buying a camera. Here we come. Canon brand new camera. We have a mic. I don't know what the hell is this. HDMI port. Screen. Yeah. Here. Now I'm gonna put this.